What's up guys, Tony here with High Tech Check. Now, if you've come across this video because you already subscribed to my channel, or if you come across this video because you saw this product on Amazon, you want to know more about it, this review is going to give you all the information you need to know about this wireless charger. Now, this charger is made by Zttopo. It is a QI certified wireless fast charger for your various wireless charging devices such as Samsung devices, iPhones, and LG, everything that pretty much uses the QI wireless charging, you're going to be able to use this. So this is what it looks like when you first get it. It comes in this transparent bag, so I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the bag for you. So the nice thing about this is it comes with the Quick Charge 3.0 wall adapter. It is capable of doing 3.6 volts to 6 volts, 3 amps, and 6 volts to 9 volts at 2 amps, and 9 volts to 12 volts at 1.5 amps. So, and it's pretty small and compact. It's very nice. And you got your little manual here. And then you have your micro USB cable. So let's take a look at the charger here. It is quite thin. It's about as thick as an Oreo. It's got a good amount of surface area. It's got your little LED light here. It turns on blue or red to let you know whether it's charging. On the bottom here, it's got some nice rubber feet to keep it from moving around. It's got a ventilation to keep it from overheating. There is no fan or anything here, so it doesn't make any noise while it's charging. As you can see here, it outputs 5 watts, 7.5 watts, and 10 watts. Now, the 5 watts is pretty much for everything that's not fast charging. Older phones, you name it. Anything that's not quick charging will use the 5 watts. The 7.5 watts is for iPhones, iPhone 10, iPhone 10R. It actually does more than what it states. It's probably around 9 watts for iPhone, so that's pretty nice that it does more than what it's supposed to. The 10 watts, that's pretty much on par for Samsung devices. All right, so here's what it looks like when you first have it turned on. The red light is on to let you know that it's not charging or if there's something wrong. Now, you can use this with cases, just not cases that are metal or really thick cases like some OtterBox cases. I have a Spigen rugged armor that I use this for my Samsung Galaxy S10, and I also have a Rinky Fusion X case that I use for the iPhone, and they charge just fine, just as quick as if they didn't have a case on them. And then here we have my Samsung Galaxy Buds. These are capable of doing a wireless charge, so we'll see what happens when we put them on here. Wait for the red light to turn off. Okay. As you can see, the little LED turned blue, and it is charging. You can use this, not with just phones, but with your Samsung Galaxy Buds. Question is, will it charge your wireless watch? I've got a Samsung Galaxy Watch here. We'll see if that'll charge up. Nope, not looking good. As you can see, it's blinking red to let you know that there's an issue. So no, it won't charge your Galaxy Watch. So I can't speak for any other watch that has wireless charging, but at least you know the Galaxy Watch will not charge on this charger. The other nice thing about this is if you don't like the LED on, besides putting a piece of tape over it, you can just take your phone and put it long ways and it will cover the LED, so you don't have to worry about that, if it's too bright for you at night. This charger also does have over voltage protection, short circuit protection, over temperature protection, so you don't have to worry about your phone getting overcharged or heating up. And during my tests, my phone barely got warm, as well as the charger, so the efficiency level on this is about 80%. And the higher the number, the better the efficiency is, unless your phone will heat up. So you don't have to worry about your phone getting super hot, or at least the ones that I tested did not. So I went ahead and did some testing with my iPhone XR and my Galaxy S10 Plus to see how long the charging would take from 0 to 50 and from then to 100. So you could see exactly how long it would take for your phones to charge up. So let's go ahead and take a look at that right now. Okay guys, so I do have the quick charger plugged into my USB voltmeter so we can see what voltage, amperage, wattage it's getting. It is connected to the Quick Charge 3.0 wall adapter that came with this. So currently there's nothing on it. It is showing 9 volts. So we're going to go ahead and put my iPhone XR on the charger. As you can see, it is 150 on Saturday, July 6th. And we have 4% battery left. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the charger. So it is charging. Again, it is 151. It's at 4%. And we're going to go ahead and see how long it takes to charge. So as you can see, it's getting 9 volts now, taking almost 10 watts, 1 amp. So here we are at about 55 minutes, and we've gone from 4% to 50% in 55 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and continue up to 100%, and we'll see how long it takes for that full charge. Okay guys, so we hit 100% probably about 3 minutes ago. As you can see, it's 4:31. It is still charging because like I said, it just hit 100% probably 3 minutes ago, and it's still at its earliest at the 100%, and it still has a little bit just to charge until it's at a full 100%. But once it's finished charging, the LED light will go off. And then it'll shut off automatically. So there you have it, 4:31 from about 2 o'clock. So about 2 hours and 40 minutes to charge from 4% all the way up to 100%. And here is my Galaxy S10 Plus. As you can see, we're at 5%, and we should be charging fast charge. So we'll go ahead and put it down on here. And I do have a thin case. It's made by Spigen. It's a rugged armor case, not very thick at all. So fast charging wirelessly, it says it's going to take 2 hours and 42 minutes to totally charge up to 100%, and it is 4:43 p.m. Okay guys, so here we are, it's 5:49. And we're at 51%, halfway charged. We have about 1 hour and 26 minutes left until it's at 100%. Okay guys, so the Galaxy S10 Plus just hit 100%. As you can see, the voltage is still at 9, but it's not really using any wattage or amperage. And then here you go, 100%. We're at 7:15. So it took about 2.5 hours to get from 5% all the way up to 100%. Not bad. So that's pretty much it for the Zttopo QI wireless charging pad. If you guys want to take a look at this yourself, I will be putting a link in the description below. And if you guys want to support me and you like my channel, please use that link to purchase this or anything else you want on Amazon, because that helps me keep making videos for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.